Hello students, welcome to our channel. In this video we have algebra Olympiad question, that is 2 raised to the power a plus 2 raised to the power b plus 2 raised to the power c, that is equal to 148, and we have to find the value of a, b and c. So without any delay, let's start our video. Before proceeding further, I want to inform you that this type of question having more than one solution. If you know the another method, please comment below in the comment section, and also let me know if you like the way I explain and solve the problem. So first of all, we rewrite our given equation and take 2 raised to the power a common from this. We get 1 plus 2 raised to the power b upon 2 raised to the power a plus 2 raised to the power c upon 2 raised to the power a is equal to 148. 148 can be written as 4 into 37, and 4 can be written as 2 raised to the power 2 into 37. So when we compare left hand side to the right hand side, we get 2 raised to the power a is equal to 2 raised to the power 2, and 1 plus 2 raised to the power b upon 2 raised to the power a plus 2 raised to the power c upon 2 raised to the power a is equal to 37. From this, we get a is equal to 2. Now we put value of a is equal to 2 on the left hand side. We get 1 plus 2 raised to the power b upon 4 plus 2 raised to the power c upon 4, that is equal to 37 can be written as 1 plus 36. From this, these two this cancel out. We get 2 raised to the power b upon 4 plus 2 raised to the power c upon 4 is equal to 36. Now we take LCM. From this we get 2 raised to the power b plus 2 raised to the power c upon 4 is equal to 36. From there we get 2 raised to the power b plus 2 raised to the power c is equal to 4 into 36. Now we take 2 raised to the power b common from this. We get 2 raised to the power b, and here it is 1 plus 2 raised to the power c upon 2 raised to the power b, that is equal to 4 into 36. Now we can write right hand side as 4 can be written as 2 raised to the power 2 into 36. 36 can be written as 2 raised to the power 2 into 9. Again, when we simplifying it, we get 2 raised to the power 4 into 9. Now we compare it with the left hand side. We get 2 raised to the power c upon 2 raised to the power b. Then 2 raised to the power b is equal to 2 raised to the power 4, and 1 plus 2 raised to the power c upon 2 raised to the power b is equal to 9. From this we get b is equal to 4, and from this we get 2 raised to the power c upon 2 raised to the power b is equal to 8. Now we put value of b is equal to 4 in this equation. We get 2 raised to the power c upon 2 raised to the power 4 is equal to 8 can be written as 2 raised to the power 3. From this we get 2 raised to the power c is equal to 2 raised to the power 3 into 2 raised to the power 4. Again, when we simplifying it by using power rule, we get c is equal to 7. So the answer for this question will become a is equal to 2, b is equal to 4, and c is equal to 7. This is all about my video. For more questions, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.